Hey guys, today I had some sort of an argument between a guy who is working in Staad Pro and me. Obviously, I am on the other side. Okay, he told me that it is possible to minimize all this toolbar which you see on the screen right now. I told him, excuse me, it's not possible. Okay. He replied to that by mocking me. And he said that, dear son, do you know, I used to work in Staad Pro every day. So, you can't prove me wrong. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prove him that he is wrong. Certified trainer in Staad Pro. Okay. Those people had tested my knowledge and I don't want some random stranger to test my knowledge again. And right in here I'm gonna open a new structure, whatever be that, it really doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna overwrite it. Okay, so you can see that there are a couple of menus here, so I'm gonna get into the view and maybe get into toolbar. Okay, there's some list of toolbar which I don't want to see. Yeah, I don't want to see the file. I don't want to see the print options here. You can disable everything which you don't want to see. RAM connection, steel. I don't want to see label result. Okay, and the structured tools. What are these? No, get away. Geometry selection is required mode. What are the mode? Okay, not required. Okay, then yeah, well that's okay. I'm gonna hit OK. So this looks okay for now. Okay, that's great. Now I'm gonna close Staad Pro and I'm gonna open Staad Pro again and I'm gonna go to the new project. I'm gonna take a spice. I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna hit finish and okay, I think I won the battle. Seriously, I won the battle, right? It's not your age that matters. It is the knowledge in the software that matters, okay? If you know anything, that's okay. If you have seen that thing, it is acceptable. If you haven't used it, do not open your mouth. That's all I want to say, okay? अरे मैं जो ये वीडियो किसी को दिखाने के लिए नहीं किया. I just wanna share this video to that guy and anyone who's watching. Thank you. So, you know, basically it's not possible to hide these toolbar in Staad Pro, okay? But right now we are having Connect Edition. There is Connect Edition right here, so no problem with that. But in the older version, हम ये toolbar hide कभी नहीं कर सकते हैं, okay? Thank you for watching.
Few moments later.
അയ്യേ ഞാൻ ഇത്രയും വിചാരിച്ചു